Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you as the convener of English Olympiad Bangladesh 2022. EOB has always wanted to enhance the English skills like grammar, reading, writing, and speaking of the students from school and college. Our target is to prepare them for a better future. But the experience we are going to give you is priceless. And don't forget, the challenge always makes us better human beings. So come, join us, experience, and be better. Thank you.
Hello, my dear English Olympiad bees. I look forward to welcoming you all to a picturesque Daffodil International University. As you have just heard from the convener of the event why you should take part in this competition, I will talk more about the test items and what you get to see as a bonus. As you prepare yourself for the selection round, please prepare yourself with the topics like English language and literature, English grammar, and mechanics. After you clear the selection round, we will get to see you at our beautiful university campus where you will be able to have a picnic, which I call your picnic. What you do, you take part in the test, but you also get an opportunity to see our Bonamaya, our Anaconda Park, our Jig Park, and don't forget to pay a visit to our library. I'm sure you'll love them. Come explore DIU. Thank you.